channel Crafty. This is Devyani and today's video is a part of my I Try series where I try different stuff for the first time. And today I'll be trying out 5 easy DIY beauty hacks that I found on Pinterest, which are quite popular. I tried the hacks for a few days. As these are beauty hacks, they will need some time to show the results. Also, if you have sensitive skin, don't forget to do a patch test before you try any of these out. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it. And follow me on all my social media. The links will be down in the description box as usual. I am currently learning calligraphy and hand lettering, brush lettering. So I post quite a lot of quotes on Instagram. So go follow me there. The link will be in the description box, as well as my handle will be somewhere here on the screen. So definitely go and follow me there. And without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with the first hack, which is for longer and healthy lashes. All you need is
castor oil, almond oil, vitamin E capsule, aloe vera gel. Start by adding castor oil a few drops, almond oil a few drops, aloe vera gel and 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix it well and store it in an old eyeliner or mascara container. Use it daily before sleeping.
For a few days and I saw a little bit of difference, not like a great difference. My lashes did not become like longer anyways, but I saw a little bit of difference, and I think it will take months to show a great difference, like to make your lashes longer and like healthy. But I definitely saw a little bit of difference, and yeah, so it is a thumbs up from me. So the second hack is for dark knees and elbows. Now the major reason for dark knees and elbows can be dirt as well as lack of scrubbing and moisturizing. So all you need for this hack is
coconut oil and lemon juice. Start by adding coconut oil and lemon juice in equal proportions. Mix well and apply on your knees and elbows. Wash off with water after 10 minutes.
For a few days and it did not make my elbows and knees all lot of fairer or something like that, but it definitely showed a little bit of difference. My knees and elbows were moisturized, so I would give it a thumbs up. The third hack is for soft and plump lips. So all you need is
cinnamon powder and almond oil. Mix a little bit of cinnamon powder and add a few drops of almond oil to make a scrub consistency. Apply as a scrub on your lips and then wash off with water.
So I used this scrub for a few times and I saw the results like immediately. And if you are someone who likes plump lips, soft lips and fuller lips, so you should definitely try this one out. So it is a thumbs up for me. The fourth hack is for stronger and healthy nails. All you need is
honey and almond oil. Mix honey and almond oil in equal proportions and mix well. Apply on your nails and massage well. Wash it off with water or keep it like that if you want.
Really thin, brittle and delicate nails. No matter what I do with them, they tend to break the next day, so I don't pretty much do anything for my nails. So I was really looking forward to this hack and it really moisturized my nails. It made them a little bit stronger, not that much stronger. They still break, but yeah, this is a nice hack and I would give it a thumbs up. Coming to the fifth and the last hack for today, it is to get rid of the blackheads. So all you need is
flour, honey and water. Start mixing flour with honey and keep adding water to make a liquid consistency mask. Apply it and then wash off with water.
When I made the mask, I made it into mask consistency and like a clay type of a thing, like we get the multani mitti mask. So I thought it would be like that, so I made it into that consistency. I applied it and it did not dry. It did not dry quickly. I waited for like 20-25 minutes and it did not dry. And when I started to wash it, it was so sticky that I could not get rid of any of that, and I was really irritated. But then I thought I should give this one more chance, and the next time I did a liquid consistency, I made the pack into a liquid consistency, and it worked like a peel off mask, and my skin really felt great. But the main thing is it did not get rid of the blackheads, but my skin felt really great. So I think it would be a thumbs up for the mask, but a thumbs down for getting rid of the blackheads. So all in all, the hacks were pretty good. They worked really well, and I was literally not expecting them to work, but they did, and so I am really happy that it worked out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you want me to try any more such hacks, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do one more such video in my I Try series. And also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, share it among your friends and family, and yeah, that's it. I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.